Hi, this is OWON Boy. Today I will introduce a bench multimeter XDM1041. It is a 4.5 digits auto-range multimeter, max 55,000 counts display, max 65 readings per a second sampling rate. It is compact and convenient, takes up a small space. Uses 3.7-inch LCD screen, supports dual display mode. USB communication port on the back panel. Supporting SCPI and PC software display. OWON XDM1041 supports a variety of test functions, including DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, AC current, resistance, continuity, diode test, capacitance, frequency measurement, temperature, max mean average measurement, relative value measurement, test resistance, test capacitance, test DC voltage of battery. In the dual display mode, we can measure AC voltage, or current, and frequency at the same time. In the record mode, we can monitor the measured object and record data changes. For example, now we are testing the voltage changes. Set the number of recording points to 60. Set the time interval to half a second. Click Start. The multimeter will automatically record and store the measured values every half a second. We can come back to check the record after some time. Connecting to your computer via USB port, you can also save the data in CSV format for further analysis.
Audio Jungle.